Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I want to show you how to use search filters in YouTube application. Open YouTube on your device and then you want to tap the search icon in the top right. Now let's type your keywords, and when you get your search results you have to look for the three dot button in the top right corner of the screen, and then let's tap search filters button. And here you can see different filters. Those are sort by. You can sort them. You can sort results by relevance, upload date, view count, and rating. As well, there is a type filter, upload date, duration, and features. So that is basically it. In order to apply filter, you're gonna simply tap on the filter that you want to apply, and let's go back and the filters will be applied automatically. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.